So press on apps. Click on all apps recommended. Then click Shopify App Store. Then with the search bar, type DSers. Then click on this app, DSers Aliexpress Dropshipping. Install. And then click Install again. DSers is a partner with Aliexpress. And now you can either select one of these items, which are Aliexpress items, and import into a store. Like this, we add it into an important list. We can check. And you can see it's here, and then we click push to store. It would be imported into our stores, into our product list. Or we can go to Aliexpress, and if we have downloaded the DSers Chrome extension, we can just click on to DSers, and then go back to the DSers. Go to important list and refresh it. And as you can see, it's here. And now we can edit the product before we can import it to our store. Can at the very end, the description, we can select which images we're going to import, the SEO information, or we can just import it, push the store, and then edit it from our store. Okay, let's push it to our store, uncheck the box, and select the Shopify store you want to import the product. And can also click also publish, and then push the store. Enough, go back to our store. As you can see on our store, or the product list, here is our product, and we can preview it on my store. Here it is.